Fra-gee-lay. It must be Italian.
Well, I think that says fragile, honey.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
What is it?
Well, it's a leg.
But what is it?
Yeah, well, it's a leg, you know, like in a statue.
Statue?
Yeah, statue.
Yeah, statue.
Ralphie?
My mother was trying to insinuate herself between us and the statue.
Holy smoke, would you? Do you know what this is? This is a lamp.
It was indeed a
Isn't
lamp.
that great? What a great lamp.
I don't know.
What is that? It's a major award.
A major